Hi, I am Shravani Hongadu and I have been with AMC for the past 2 years. These 2 years have been an amazing journey. It started off in 11th where the lectures were mostly online and I couldn't really go to class at that time. But the real fun began after 12th where the boards ended and the intensive training started. It was a time where I used to go to class every day from 8 to 1 and sometimes even stay back after that. We learned and practiced a lot of things from live sketching to portrait sketching, perspective drawings, object drawings, different views, and whatnot. We also had model making classes, which was a great help because it helped us understand things in a third dimension. AMC has been like a second home to us throughout. It was always an open class where we could go sit and practice and learn anytime. We used to sit back extra after the classes to solve MCQs, math questions, and logical reasoning or general knowledge questions. The reference books at AMC are always open to students, and you can go anytime and study there. Thank you, Sanjay sir, for being there with me throughout. I still remember before first attempt of NATA, I was really nervous, and you helped me go through it. Those self-affirmative sessions that you took were really of great help, and they help you when you least expect them to. So thank you for everything. Thank you for the 2 years, and I couldn't be more grateful for choosing AMC. I know I took the right decision, and I would always be thankful to AMC for these 2 years. Special thanks to the teaching assistants Akshay, Tanvi ma'am, Khyati, and Yash for being there for us, not just as teachers but as our guides, as our mentors who cleared all our doubts, all the questions related to architecture or life in general. You have been there with us throughout, and so thank you so much for that.